Before starting any work on a UCG site, remember to geotag on and complete your JPS as per contractual requirements. Clean the area where you intend to work. Expose the faulty bolts that need to be repaired. Damaged bolts should be repaired on a like-for-like basis. Sheared off bolts can be loosened and removed with pliers. Clean your screw thread with a 12mm tube brush and some water. If a bolt has sheared off and cannot be loosened, do not use a hammer and screwdriver to bash it out. The spare captive sleeve can be unloosened and used if required. Only use engineered metal and plastic bolts in a captive sleeve with the metal nut. Unscrew the blocked captive sleeve. This will allow access to the broken bolt. You can remove the bolt with pliers. Once cleared, replace the captive sleeves in their positions. The Type 3 pit only uses 2 secure fastening points. You will notice there are 4 captive sleeve placements on the pit. If you have no other recourse, then a swap out of the spare is acceptable. However, this should only be used as a last resort when clearing a broken bolt. Make use of a 14mm socket to tighten the plastic bolts. Apply enough force to lock the nut in place. Do not over-tighten.